start automatically.
Man.
Y'all love me.
Oh my god.
I love me a Tommy. Oh my gosh.
Why Litta always be talking shit, bro?
I'm not talking shit. I'm
Talking
appreciating.
shit.
I'm appreciating my car wash right now. I love Tommy. You see how captivating the colors are?
You're like a kid, bro. Your face. Ain't no way.
And you just automatically
Nah.
smell the aroma of
Yeah,
soap.
I love it. I feel it too, but you're Yes. Bro, I hate this with the new phones. You put them together and they touch, they automatically want to start doing this shit. Like that money could be like your Siri, or you call 911, or you could like make this button whatever you want it to be.
Clean. Oh, you're doing amazing. Tommy is so proud.
Fuck yeah.
I would like to say Tommy and Tommy got the really good connection. Me and Tommy got the really good connection.
What the fuck is that shit? When did you set that up? I'm calling Santino right now.
What's wrong?
One of my splitter rods already fell off. Cause he ain't installed right.
Oh, that little boy in trouble. I should not be chewing gum. And I know that. Don't get on me. But shit. Why not? He got an alien on his bike. Is your door unlocked?
Yeah, I didn't unlock it. Somebody took your spot. Baby daddy. Bow, 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 bow. That's that booty meat.
Oh,
Look at
no,
that
he got out.
booty
He got out the
cheek.
car.
Oh.
He got out the car.
I don't know.
Where he at? Where he go?
I think he's making everybody leave.
Unless he said, I think he said no.
Right.
I think he
What
said.
he say?
He said we gotta go.
So, mods?
I gotta walk all the way the fuck back over there. Damn, shawty. You'll be okay.
I'm going to fuck to prison.
Faster than you can say.
Shit, I almost wrote you into
Would've got my whole arm.
What are y'all doing?
If we all go at Mod's Pizza and get food, they can't do nothing.
I said we do that.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's just take up a big ass table.
Let me roll in my window. Brick! Tell them we get food!
We're gonna get food.
Tell them we get food. They can't kick us out.
We're gonna get food. See you in a minute. We're going to Mars, bro. Come on.
You said
You was
I can't even eat in peace. My shit.
Look. No, my. No, I can't.
One push-ups. Take your shirt off, baby. White t-shirt contest. Who got the best t-shirt?
You got a.
Hey, over here. Not over here.
And this girl was like twerking. He pulled the cap off in her butt.
What?
What the fuck do you watch?
I'm not prepared for that. It's on Twitter.
What do you be watching?
Oh, Twitter got everything.
It's gonna be like,
Ready?
How you gonna clench your butt cheeks though?
Would you let somebody shit on you?
Hell no. Why would somebody shit on me?
I saw Young Miami and
She like golden showers.
would you let someone sit on you?
you let someone piss on you? That's a girl squirting.
I would pee on somebody.
That wasn't the question.
I remember they say everything.
Eventually, I'm right back.
I was about to say, if it ended up me one more time, end up me one more time.
Don't be
Don't
gay.
let on you again.
No, it ain't.
Got me. Watch, it is gonna be Gabby.
Nope, no.
Take your shirt off. You can't cheat.
It's right here.
You can't cheat.
You just moved it. I'm about to rewatch that.
Them wings was good.
Look at them motherfucking bones like that.
Bow, 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 bow.
That's that booty meat. You got that booty meat? Yeah, got the booty meat.
Damn, she always shook her ass off over.
I'm scared about getting one of those.
That's alright.
I guess I would. It's hard, huh?
I look like the 6'3"
Stop! Oh my god.
I want to walk like
They know where you just said that. Alright, can I like sit under this and you drive me around?
Don't move too much because
I thought I wasn't fat. Don't move too much, fat ass. Don't move.
It's crazy.
Damn.
Yeah, why would you talk to you like that in that manner?
I need my
Yeah, on the back of the wings. Last one.
Yeah.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Keep going, girl.
5.
Ask by tomorrow.
Ass by tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, Gabby. It fell off.
Oh, never mind. Ain't no fixing it. Who's gonna spray paint it? Butt nigga shit. Nobody will never notice. Ah, spray paint. Fuck out there.
Well, I paid for the lights, but then I got the install for free with them, so the lights was $1,400. $1,400?
Put some lights.
Yeah.
It costs $14. I'm not paying $14. Come on, now. I ain't gonna lie, you lucky for
What?
Yeah, yeah, make them all red. Them hoes are sweet. Don't feel like a goddamn. And your underglow red. Toy car. Depending on my mood. They laughing hard as hell.
It's just time to go in, huh? It's just time to go in.
It's time to go.
It's cold.
It's not cold at all.
I'm cold. I done got cold. I'm anemic, or what they call it. Anemic, or whatever they call it.
You might want to put your fingers in the holes.
I don't need to.
You need to.
Damn! There we go.
I mean